Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial, and in today's class we'll be looking how to solve this integral. Alright, before us we have integral cos x cos 2x dx. Alright, now to resolve this or to solve this, we just need to do we will resolve this using the integral by parts. Now integral by part. Okay, so with that we use this formula u dv equals uv minus the integral of v du. Alright, with this we can get started with solving it. Now let's make here your u will be cos x, and if you have to differentiate u with respect to x, here you have du dx will give us a sin x, okay, which will further give us that du equals sin x dx. Okay, all right, so as such dv here will be cos 2x dx. Okay, and for us to get the value of v here, we just need to integrate this, which give us that dv equals cos 2x. Okay, we have to integrate this 2x dx, and this will now give us that v equals 1 over 2 sin 2x plus c. All right, so what we just need to do now is we can ignore this plus c, or let me just move it. So what we just need to do now is to input u, dv, du and v into this expression above. Okay, so here we have that uv here, u here is cos x, then v here is into 1 over 2 sin 2x, then minus the integral of v 1 over 2 sin 2x, then du here is what? Sin x dx. All right, so with this now we just need to differentiate, to integrate this. Let us resolve this. So here we have minus, then bringing out 1 over 2 integral sin 2x sin x dx. All right, from a trigonometry identity we know that so let me write it here, sin 2x will give us 2 cos x sin x. All right, so let us now implement this, or let us put this, let us replace this with this. So as such, let's come here. So here we have minus 1 over 2 integral 2 cos x sin x. All right, then sin x again, then dx. Okay, all right, so here we say minus 1 over 2 the integral of 2 cos x, then sin square x dx. Okay, so bringing out these two here, you have 2 over 2 the integral of cos x sin 2x dx. All right, so let's make u equals sin x again, and the essence of this is to ensure that it helps us to simplify it more easier. So here you have that du dx here, differentiating this again, we have what? Cos x. All right, so du, it will give us cos x dx. All right, and let us now replace sin x for u and cos x dx for du. So here we have that the integral here will now be, this will now be u raised to power 2, then cos dx will now give us what? Du, which gives us integrating this, we now have that u cube over 3 plus c. Okay, Alright, so what we need to now replace u here, which is sin raised to power 3 x over 3 plus c. Now we've now resolved this. The solution to this is this. Alright, so here we will now bring this to here. We will now say cos x into 1 over 2 sine 2x, then minus sine cube over sine raised to power 3x over 3 plus c. Okay, so this is the final answer. So if you love this tutorial, you can share it with your friends and neighbor. Thank you and God bless you.